In this video, we're going to look at another problem and solution example, which is actually quite similar to the last one that we did, except that we have to add the digits that the person typed into the console rather than display them in the reverse. So write a program that calculates the sum of the individual digits of an integer entered into the program. For example, if the user type in 5467, the program should display the total sum is 22. Well, there are two ways you can do this. You can break this number down by looking for the first number in the string, in this digit second. You can look for the second and third and fourth. So that would be the easiest way to do it. But because we have not spoken about strings and how to break down strings in Objective-C, then I use the last algorithm to actually obtain the last digit rather than the first digit. So if you want, you can obtain the first digit 5, then obtain 4, then obtain 6 or 7. But I've done it the other way around by using the last algorithm that I wrote. So it's better to actually, because it's going to give you the same answer if you add from the back or from the front. So to keep in mind that the only difference here now is every time you obtain the value of the last digit, you add it to, for example, you declare a variable called total and you initiate that value to be 0. So then you obtain the last digit, then 7, then you say total will be total plus the number that you just obtained, 7. So that means the value of total now is 7. Then after that, you obtain the value of the next one in line, which is 6. Then you say now total is equal to the last total plus 6, and so on and so forth until you get the last. Then you display the result at the end. So let me show you exactly which is exactly what happens here. So if you look at this declaration, it's just the same as last time, except that I've declared a new variable total to be 0. Then the same thing, and just like the last one, I asked them to enter a number. Enter a number to reverse the order. Sorry, you see, that shows you that I copied it. Enter a number to add the digits. This, and then I use the scanf. Then again, I use the modulo to obtain the last digit by dividing by 10 and getting the remainder. Then here, this is where I use the total to be the last digit plus total again. And here I did not use the printf, so I might as well just delete it because it's not needed. Then in order to obtain the rest of the thing to work on, the rest of the value to work on, I have to divide it by 10. You understand that one? And this is where I display the value of total. So it's actually nothing other than adding the value together. So if we run the program, we know that 1, 2, 3, 4 always equals to 10. The value is 10. So if you type in any value, let's run the program again. Any value that you type into the keyboard, if you press enter, it will tell you that the value of this is 47. So you may want to confirm that is 47, but I'm sure it is. And I hope you find that useful. In case once I get to the part where we're talking about how to obtain numbers from the front, then I will revisit this example again and do it again by actually obtaining the number from the front rather than from the back. Thank you.